Hello, Energetica is at RI Expo to explore the latest development and updates from the renewable energy sector. We are joined by Avinash Hiranandani, Vice Chairman and Managing Director, Renewables India. Hello, sir.
Hi Dineshwari, how are you?
Sir, we heard that you have launched something new today here. So, could you share some detail about this launch product?
So Renewables is the India's largest manufacturer in encapsulants. We supply to almost all solar panel makers in India, and we have launched our anti-acid EVA. We have launched our latest POE for TOPCon. So these are the new launches in encapsulant. We have also launched our DCR cells, and we have launched our 620 watt 132x solar panels that we will be making from our new factory in Khopoli, Maharashtra. So there are quite a few of new launches that we have done at REI in 2025.
Okay, sir. So the government has recently reduced the GST rate on solar components. So what are your thoughts on then how it's going to impact the pricing and adoption in India?
So it's a good decision by the government, and we have passed on the GST benefit right from day one to our customers. So it will increase the demand and reduce the costs in the market. So it's an excellent decision by the government.
You also talk about the manufacturing of cells and in your company. So they're taking any other steps in terms of implementing backward integrations in your manufacturing or supply chains?
So we started with encapsulants and backsheet. Now we are making solar panels, and we are also backward integrated into making solar cells. So Renewables will be in the market to take care of ALCM list 2 or ALMM list 2 for cells, and we'll be supplying solar panels with solar cells made in India.
That's great to know, sir. And we also would like to know your expansion plan or your key priorities area is in the near future.
So Renewables, we will continue growing into the cell business. We have been making cells for the past 10 years, so we have that distinct advantage over anybody else who's making cells in India. So we'll keep growing our cell business, and also we'll start looking at ingot wafer soon.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir, for sharing the new launch with us and then your company's vision. We wish you all the best and more success for the company. Thank you, sir.
Thank you to Energetica, and thank you to you also.